Who wants to be a millionaire?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and this is an opinion channel about money. As you can probably see by the length of my beard, I've been a bit of a slacker lately, and so I apologize for that. It's been a bit of a long time between week 8's video and week 9 video. But what this is this is a 12-week series where each week you are going to complete a task, and at the end of the 12 weeks, you will basically have gone through the motion of setting up an account where you know exactly how long it's going to be before you have $1 million in your investment account. It's a pretty simple structure. So last week, you actually did the paperwork to set up your accounts and you started to transfer the money into those accounts to fund them so that you're able to make your investment purchases. This often takes a little bit longer than a week, so I doubt that the funds are actually in your account in week 9 if you're doing this in real time. This week's task is to take a look at the ticker symbols or the symbols for the stocks that your broker talked to you about in week 8, and you have to do a little bit of research. Now, I've done videos before on how I research dividend stocks. I'm going to put a link right up here so you guys can check out a video specifically on what are the numbers that I look at when I'm looking at a new dividend stock. But that's the task of this week. Go through all of the companies that broker has recommended to you and actually do a little bit of investigation on your own, because it's really important that we make educated investment decisions. We don't want to just blindly follow somebody, because if we do that, we're going to end up making poor investment decisions, and we're going to invest in something that we would not normally invest in ourselves. Remember, we are purchasing a portion of the business. We are giving our money to the business so that they can function. If we don't believe in that business, it is not a good investment for us. It might be a good investment for somebody else, but not necessarily for us. Well, that's it for week 9. Join me next week when we talk about week 10's task. And if you're not already a subscriber, click subscribe below, give me a like, and turn on your notifications bell. Let's get rich together. Talk soon.